Okay guys, today I got OPPO A78 that cannot turn on. So let's go check. Okay, right now we are going to check using our multimeter. Is there any short? Alright, there is short over here on the VBAT. Okay, first of all I will disassemble this motherboard. To take the motherboard out, to checking where is the short coming from. Alright, so we got the motherboard. Refer to the schematic, we found that this VBAT and VSense. So let's go check for the VBAT first. So the VBAT is going to this IC. What IC is this? Maybe charging IC. So this one is charger IC, charging IC. So we are going to open this one first, and then let's check what happened inside. Okay, we already opened our shield. So from the physical checking, I found that there is one capacitor over here that already burned out. See, can't you see over here? So this one is the problem. So just remove this one. Maybe this phone can be on. So let's try first. So we are going to check, is there any shorting? So we are going to check, is there any shorting at the VBAT connection? So let's go. Okay, this is our multimeter, so we're going to check. So there is no short anymore. Alright, now we are going to put back to our housing, and then we are going to check our problem is solved or not. So okay, we already turned on. Okay, it fixed. So don't forget to share, like and comment, so I can make more video for you. That's all. Thank you. Okay, so this is our phone. It looks like can turn on. Okay, that's all for today. See you on my next video.